Tired of juggling between your code editor and the command line to push your changes to GitHub? Let's ditch the hassle and learn how to commit directly from Visual Studio Code in just a few simple steps. First, ensure you have Git initialized in your project and that your project is linked to a GitHub repository. Any changes you've made in your code will automatically appear in the source control panel. Hover over a file you wish to commit and click the plus icon to stage it, meaning you're telling Git you want to include these specific changes in your next commit. You can also stage all the changes at once by clicking the plus sign next to changes. Now it's time to write your commit message. Type a concise and descriptive message summarizing the changes you've made. Be sure to follow the prompt for the best commit message. Once you're happy with your message, locate the 3 dots on the source control panel. A menu will appear. Select the commit stage option. Your commit message should be saved and your code changes saved locally. Finally, click the Sync Changes button. This will push your local commit to your remote GitHub repository. And that's it. Now, your code is safely stored in your GitHub repository, all without leaving Visual Studio Code.